Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, I'll be trying to create a pop art makeup look, and I decided to do or create rather the Wonderwoman look. So without further ado, let's get started and find out kung magagawa ko ba siya ng maayos. Okay, so ayan, magpa-primer na tayo since I already moisturized my face a while ago. And I'll be using my Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Pore Minimizing Primer. So now I'll be applying my foundation. This is the Too Faced na Peach Perfect Foundation. So now I'll be applying my concealer, and this is from Huda Beauty na Overachiever Concealer. And then I'll be setting that with my Essence na Mattifying Compact Powder. Mag-eyebrows na tayo, and I'll be using this eyeliner gel from Ushas. Okay, so now we are done with our eyebrows. Ayan, magti-trace na lang ako nung parang kanyang tawag ito, yung accessories niya dito. Now I'm taking this yellow gold eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution and apply it on my forehead, and making sure it will not exceed on the designed line that we make earlier. And then I create a star design in the middle of my forehead using a red eyeliner pencil. Now I'm taking this brown shade eyeshadow as my transition shade from my Salute Paris eyeshadow palette to start our eye makeup. And then I'm taking this dark brown eyeshadow from my Mint Chocolate eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution and apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. And then I apply the yellow gold eyeshadow in the inner corner to half of my lid. Now I start to tighten my lash line to give more definitions to my eyes. And then I apply some liquid eyeliner in my upper lash line. And then I start to apply some mascara. And then I contour my face to emphasize the shape of my face. And then I apply also some blush on. And then I apply some highlight to add some glow to my face. I almost forgot to contour my nose, so I did that after I apply the highlighter. And then I start to apply the red lipstick to add some color to my lips. And then I outline my lips using a black gel liner. And then I start to add the pop art details in my face using the black gel eyeliner. And we usually add the lines where there is prominent shadow. And then I add some highlights to my lips using a white face paint. And then I also add some highlights on some lines. So ayan guys, I'm done and this is the final look of my Wonder Woman pop art makeup look. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ng panonood. And if you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!